Anthony Muluisi, but on stage you can call me Anthony with an X. Hi. Yeah, blush. All right. I had acrid bellows of young girls yelling at the stunning dominant moonlight because they are jealous of her hair and the gods in her breath. She is a beautiful Nefertiti, a portrait of dark-skinned woman holding two golden spirits waltzed into hums and resonances of the Okavongo waters kept in her bellies during epoch seasons. She is a spectacle, a divine Queen Hera, descendant of goddess Gaia. Buried inside of her are wonderful accents of thousands of souls with countless audiences of mopani and palm trees swimming. Sunsets are not peaches and peaches are not peaches, but water lilies are and forever shall be. I heard of backpackers, pillowcases, head hunting and putting love bounties on tourists, begging them for couple more one-night stands and a bunch of witness crocodiles and hippos screaming at the top of their lungs. We saw angry elephants on a riot of protest, stomping and singing songs of dissent, saying, we demand justice, don't chase us, and we want lawyers, not liars. This woman is amazing, and no sticks or stones can break her bones. Her scents are of faithful hands of mothers holding on to ankles of silhouettes of brave men and 2F engines cruising shadows of lonely evenings of the wild northwest in her face. Her face is deeply rooted in memories, murals, writings, and dreams of patriotic Maun rap family, pledging allegiance to her name, with their hands soaring in the air like half-naked national flags, pole dancing and stealing kisses from the skies, dusty winds carrying sculptures of young boys looking like wealth and pregnant economies. She is beautiful love stories written on trinkets and promise rings. This woman is love at first sight. The radiant candelabra and lanterns decorating Maun beaches, big trees and all bridges that escaped vicious atrocities by captors. She is rosary beads to the hopeless, the image of resilience and tenacity wrapped around broken hearts and fingers, an inspirational story of determination, a complete masterpiece blessed with sweeter scents that to her gaze, towns and more towns and cities that project illusions of themselves are left bleak and singing digits on holidays. This woman is a pleasant sight to die for, and I died on her legs. I rose up young and surrounded by indomitable tribes, lost in the picture square of her undefiled thighs. So hush, ye nostalgic virgin girls, and lo, and be gold, as legends of motherhood buried in her cause illuminate from contours of her hips, for she is Ngamiland, a classic queen and a home to bow down to. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Republic of Ngamiland.